Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Chantel V. So today I am doing a DIY. It is a DIY toy chest for Prince Cameron because he's getting a little, he's getting a lot of toys. So if you want to stick around and see what this toy chest will look like and what I am doing to make it wonderfully for Mr. Cameron, stick around and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so we are outside because I have to sand this down some and get the paint off of it. I brought it off of Facebook Marketplace. So we're gonna turn this into Prince Cameron's toy chest. So I'm about to sand it down. And once I'm done with that, I will come back to you guys so you can see what it looks like sand down. I have my mask on. So if that's why I sound a little muffled, that'd be why. So here it is. Here's the back. I don't think I can get a good look at the front, but let me see if I can get a good look. That'll be the front. So let's see what it will turn out looking like. Okay, friends. So I started, trying to sand it down yesterday. It got dark, and I couldn't find the other sander that my mother was talking about, so I left it alone. And now I found the other sander, so we did get the top of it sanded down. These glasses are weird. Okay. I got the top of it sanded down, so I'm gonna show a picture of that, and I'm about to do the sides. All I'm gonna do for the sides is just try to get that shiny layer off of paint, so when I paint over it, it'll take it better without so many coats of paint. So I'm gonna show a clip, or I'll just show a picture here somewhere of what the top of it looks like now compared to what it looked like yesterday. Okay, after I sanded it twice, but this is the good sander. Oh, sorry. This is the good sander. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a picture of it now. Okay, so I guess it looks nice. So I'm gonna do the sides really quickly, and we're gonna go and we'll paint it. So I'm gonna show you. I'll show you what it look like sanded after I'm done with the whole thing. All right. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right. So this is what it looks like after I sand it down. Going around. Started already painting. So we're gonna get the spots that you guys can see. So I started painting it already, just with the coat. Okay, so I went ahead and put the primer on. It's just all white, of course, still. And I'm gonna let it dry, probably overnight. And I will be back in the morning. I'm gonna get up a little early so I can just get ahead and get it done out the way tomorrow. Tomorrow is what? What's today? Tomorrow's Sunday, so hopefully I can get this done tomorrow so this video can go and be posted. So here it is. Okay, so I'm about to start painting. It's going to be block, just because everything else in our room is black and gray, so I might throw like a little extra gray in there just to see if it give it a little pop. But here we are. We're about to start painting, so I will come back when maybe I'm done with the front. Alright, so I'm not quite done with the front, and of course it's the first coat, so I'm just kind of going over just to see what certain colors look like against the black. So this is the front with the white still. Alright, so I have made it to the back of the chest. I did one side. I'm working my way around, so I'm just going to finish the back and then finish that side. So this is where I'm at. Want to say hi, Tink? Say hey. It's a little painting partner. Hi. So that's the baby. It's my Tinky baby. This is gonna be his chest. So yes. So here we are. Okay. So we have completed the back of it. And the side, I just got the little white cracks that you see. I'm gonna go back after this first coat dry. I'm about to do this top now. What Cam said. And I should have took the feet off before I even started painting. I'm not sure what I was thinking. Maybe I wasn't. Stop, Cam. So I would try to do that. Try to take them off in a minute. So just stay tuned and we will see what it looked like, at least with the first coat on the whole thing. All right, so check back in a minute. Okay. We have been working on this chest for a few days now. I know, it's ridiculous. I be so tired in the morning, I don't want to get up. Come on, Tinky. I think he's in his walk. He's stuck. But I painted all the outside. I just got to paint the legs. And the top of it, I'm doing chalkboard once again. So I'm doing a few layers over, as you see. You can still see the white. So I am getting that done now. I already did 2 layers. I'm going to do one more and see what's what. Let me go check on Cam and see what he's doing. He's saying looking at me. He's just mad because he can't get over here. But, yeah. So this is the top. Okay. So, we have made some progress. The whole outside is finished. We got to go over, of course, with the shine. The top is finished. This will be the chalkboard, so that will not need any shine. I was going to do the legs, the colors, like colorful colors, but when I started painting, they didn't look right, so they're going to be black. So now, on the front, it's going to say Cameron. I don't know if it's going to say Cameron's Toys or Cam's Toys or Cam's Chest or Cameron's Chest. I'm still trying to figure that out. So I'm about to figure that out, which one I'm going to do. And then we will come back and see. Yeah, so that's the inside. I just got to still wipe it out and whatnot. But yeah, that's inside. And I'm about to throw the second layer of paint sit down over the legs. Here's the legs. I'm about to throw the second layer of paint on those. So, yeah. Here's Prince Cameron. Chilling out with Monica. Well, kind of, sort of. Okay, so I'm about to do the alphabet around the top. I'm going to use these stencils. Never used them, so I'm like, hey, why not just use them? And I'm going to use my paint pens to use it because I know they won't come off the chalkboard. I got the numbers too. So, here they are. I'm going to try to use all the colors. So at least you know what the colors. He'll be able to learn his colors. Alphabet, uppercase and lowercase. And I'm going to do numbers 1 through 10. Or maybe 1 through 20, depending on, you know, how many I can get on the top of it. So, I think I got these pens from Michaels, like, a few years ago, like 2 years ago. And I think I got this from Michaels, most likely also. So, this is what we're about to do now. Wish me luck. Everything here. Okay, so I'm going to start with, I didn't paint the bottom. I'm not that pressed about it. So, I'm going to start I'm putting Cameron's chest on it. So I'm using these stencils that I have that most likely came from Michaels. So that's what the letters will look like once we're all done. So it's on its side. So this is going to be, of course, like the front of it, as you can see. So once I'm done tracing it, we'll probably paint it when I'm done. So this is what they look like. So I wrote it on there. Get this out the way. There's Cameron's chest, the M and the E It's like a dark blue, so that's why they look a little darker. But here it is. Mr. Mackay decided, he wanted to put his own little touch on his chest. He decided, to touch the paint, put the paint there. So here this is. Okay. So, for the most part, I got this just done. I did like a little something. Nothing special on it. The S, I'm gonna have to figure that out because it's supposed to be orange, but it's just a little dark. Like the paint and the paint pens didn't really come out. The N is a little messed up. I don't even care no more at this point. So yeah. So here this is, and I will be doing the top of it. It might not get done for this video, honestly. I might, I don't know, because only like as you can see, a few of them actually showed up on here, so I'm gonna have to use those pens for the alphabet for the top. So maybe I'll just throw the alphabet up there, just handwriting myself. When I say we are done, we are done. The only thing I have to do is just add the semi, I guess, shine over the actual base and stuff of it. But the top, the chalkboard, this is the chalkboard. It is done. I did his alphabet. And I did numbers up to 10. And I left him a little note. Don't judge my handwriting because, it's bad when you've been writing how you want to write all the time, all your life, and then you actually have to write the way the alphabet and the numbers look, and you can't remember exactly how a G and a regular Q and stuff supposed to look. We got a problem. But you're done. The top, that's the side. Those are the legs that need to get put on, but we ain't get there yet, so this is what we are. This is where we at. I think we're done because I don't feel like doing no more. But yeah, here it is. Yay! Yay! His chest is done. All I'm gonna do now is just wipe out the inside. If you haven't seen, this is the inside, and I have to get another one of those, so I won't know. So it can close the correct way because the other side doesn't have one. So we are done. So this is the chest without the legs, and this is the top of it. And that was cute. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.